The last step for the posts is installing them in the post bases. Start off by driving in a couple stakes for each direction of the post, as shown here. Then, nail a 2x4 brace into each of the stakes with a single nail so that it can rotate. Bringing one of the 2x4 braces against the post, use a level to plumb the post, and then drive a nail in to hold it in position. Repeat this in the other direction, and then double check that the post is still plumb both ways. Once satisfied with the plumbness of the post, pre-drill and drive in the post base fasteners. If the fasteners come with decorative nuts, be sure to slip those through the fastener before driving it in. The process is repeated with each of the posts after this. If you have a post where it's not practical to brace diagonally, you can tie it against an adjacent post instead. After you've installed all the posts on your pergola, it's time to move on to making and installing the beams, which we'll detail in the next video series.